Now I'll give you some instructions on how to use AcademicFocus. First, enter cstm.thinkcad.net in the address bar and open the home page. On the top right corner is the login button. You can click Login. Enter your username and password in the login box. If your institute has already subscribed products and your computer's IP address is in the institute's IP list, you will automatically log in. If you do not log in, you can only use search and browse functions, but cannot download the full text. The homepage includes 6 major sections. In Subject Navigation section, all resources are classified into 10 series, and you can click any of them to view the journals and conference proceedings of the selected subjects. Collections by Topic section provides 3 hot topics and 4 related articles which can be read online for free. You can click the Collections by Topic in the title bar or one of the slides to get into the collection part. The next section recommends high-quality journals and articles based on the user's search history. The following 3 sections respectively display original English journals published in mainland China, translated journals, and international conference proceedings. You can click More to view all the related resources. Next, let's see the navigation function. Click Title Browse and get to the navigation page. There are mainly 2 navigation methods, publication type and subjects. You can choose original journals, translated journals, or proceedings of conference in publication type navigation, and further filter the resources by selecting different subjects. You can also enter publication title, ISS number, or CN number to get the specific journal. For instance, enter Inorganic, and you will get the journal you need. And you will see the comprehensive impact factor and combined impact factor under the journal cover. You can click it to check the explanations. This impact factor, co-developed by CNKI, China Evaluation and Research Center for Science and Technology Literature, and Tsinghua University Library, is an authoritative indicator to measure the academic quality and influence of journals published in mainland China. The citing data of comprehensive impact factor comes from journals, while combined impact factor has more sources like journals, doctoral dissertations, master thesis, and conference proceedings. Next, let's go back to the home page and see the search function. You can enter the search term in the search bar, click the search button, and get the search results. The search condition defaults to subject, which covers article title, keywords, and abstract. Choose subject and the search condition, and you will get the search results in these 3 aspects. You can also select other search conditions including article title, author, affiliation, keyword, abstract, full text, or publication title. Let's take economy as example. Enter economy under the search condition of subjects, and we will get over 11,000 results. In the search results page, you can sort the results by relevance or publication date. All the results will be sorted in a descending order. You can also choose 10, 20, or 30 results shown in one page. The 3 types of icons before the article title indicates different literature status. The green arrow indicates that this article has been subscribed and the full text can be downloaded. The yellow cross indicates this article has not been subscribed and the full text cannot be downloaded. And the yellow arrow indicates that you are not logged in, with only search and browse functions available. In this page, you can also filter the results by publication type and subject. In the search results section, there are article title, author, journal or proceeding title, and publication date. You can click the article title and get to the article page. In this page, you will see the article's author, institution, abstract, keywords, and reference. You can also click the reference article marked in blue and get to the corresponding article page. If you have subscribed and logged into the database, you can click the download button to download the full text. If you click the journal or proceeding cover, you will get to the single publication page, where you will see its basic information and all the available articles included in it. You can choose a specific year and issue to review the articles list. Click the article title and you will get to the article page. This journal page also allows search within the publication, and the search conditions include article title, keywords, and abstract. For instance, you can enter Silk Road in the search bar, and you will get 18 results whose title, keywords, or abstract had the search term. The last part I'm going to introduce is My Account section, which is only available to users who have subscribed and get logged in. This section only displays the resources you have subscribed. You can search the publication or article within the resources you have subscribed, and filter the search results by publication type. Okay, that's all for Academic Focus introduction. Thanks for your attention.